Hi, this is Jessica, and this is the first part of my quiz 1. So, the problem is LM35 transducer is connected to a PLC. So, what is LM35 transducer? LM35 transducer is simply a temperature sensor, which is the analog voltage is proportional to the temperature. So, with an output voltage range of 0 to 1.5 volts. So, in reality, the maximum output range of the PLC is 10 volts and the resolution is 6000. So, what is the hex value range that will be read by the PLC? So, multiplying the voltage in the voltage maximum voltage output divided by the maximum voltage of the PLC times the resolution is equal to 900 in decimal, and if it will be converted to hex, it will be 384. So these are the parameters to be used. So this is the PLC ladder diagram. Pound 0 for D10, 0 source word for D11, 150 source word, which is the maximum output, and pound 384 for D13. So here, SEL, D10 as the first parameter word, 200 as the source word, and D100 as the result word. So we're going to use the watch window. Okay? For example, so what is the half of what is the half of 450? So it is I1C2. Okay. So we're going to enter the value of 1C2. So the output is 75, which is the half of 384. Thank you.